Welcome to another MAGNA Sunday analysis series. Let's get into this week's analysis. So for Aussie dollar, last week I gave a prediction that Aussie dollar would come down to this zone here, 0.666, and we eventually dropped, but we never came into this zone here. We came off a few pips, created the doji candle, followed by an engulfing bullish candle, and we began to shoot up. 0.6700 still remained as a significant level. As you can see, we came here, found support, and we eventually shot up. We then went to find resistance at this level here. Let's go back and look at this level here. So you can see this level has been a significant level. So we eventually came to 0.6760, found resistance there, and rejected off this level sharply. But again, we are still above 0.666, so meaning we are still in a bullish trend. So when the market opens on Monday, I am expecting price to continue shooting up from this level right here, from this level where it is right here. So this is where I'm expecting price to continue going up. So right here, we might see price continue to go up from here. As you can see here, it looks like price is building liquidity for it to take off. So targets still remain the same. Targets are still 0.6800. So let us see how price develops. I have two targets, 0.6800 and 0.6860. So these are my two targets. When price comes to 0.6800, I'll take off a percentage from the trade, then allow the rest of the percentage to continue running up to 0.6860. Unless otherwise, if price does not get to 0.6860, I'll give an update in the Telegram channel. So make sure you join our MAGNA Telegram channel. We come down to gold. I was expecting price to find support at 2000 here. So we eventually came down. We rejected from this zone, our previous support level here, 1990. We rejected from this zone, created these bullish candles here. I actually entered the trade here, and I was taken out with this bearish candle here. This huge bearish engulfing candle took me out of the trade. So I was taken out of the trade. I'll make sure to post the trade on my Instagram. I just forgot to post the trade on the Instagram page, so I'll make sure to post the trade. I lost about 260 pips, not too much for gold, not too much for gold, no more loss. So after price took me out, we came down to 1980. You can say price came down to 1980 and eventually found support at 1980, which has been a significant support level for us, or a significant level for us. Then I opened the trade again, as you can see. So after opening the trade, I'm allowing the trade to run. So I'm currently in this trade. Targets 2070, targets still remain the same. Stop loss 1965. Let us see how this trade develops. I'm expecting it to continue going upwards from here. So let us see how the market develops on Monday or throughout the whole week. For euro, we developed very well from last week. So last week we were around this level where I mentioned that I wouldn't take a trade here and I would expect price to come down deeply. As you can see from the previous analysis video, episode 8, I made this chart markup here in real time. So I waited for price to come to this level. I never took a trade here because early in the morning I went somewhere. so I wasn't able to monitor the market. When I came back, I found price had already created this bullish engulfing candle here. So I entered the trade with my stop loss at 1.0900 and my targets at 1.1150 like I stated in the previous video. So I'm also currently in this trade. As you can see, this trade is developing beautifully. So I'm sitting on my hands and allowing this trade to run. So we'll see how price will develop. Come down to US 30. US 30 also. I marked out this blue rectangle here, 33,600. I expected price to come find support at 33,600 here. But we have been ranging. We have basically been ranging with US 30. Price has been struggling to find its direction, but I'm still bullish on the index. From here, we might see a continuation to the upside. So we'll see how price will develop during the course of the week. For US 30, I'm still bullish. I'm confident that price might continue to go upwards from here. We'll see how price will develop. So make sure if you are to enter the US 30 trade and you see your confirmation to enter the trade, make sure to use good risk management. I'll give an update of these setups in the Telegram channel. If you haven't joined the Telegram channel, you can join the Telegram channel and I'll leave the link in the description below. So now we come down to dollar. For the dollar, we also developed beautifully. Last week we were around this level here. We were around 101 and I stated that price might reach for 102 and we eventually did. We came to 102 and we have been resisting to break the 102 level, and as you can see, the dollar is looking like it's ready to continue with its downward movement. So let's see how price will develop next week. I'm highly confident that price will continue coming down and we might reach 100.2. 100.2, that's my target for the dollar. So since the dollar is tumbling down, we might see our pairs shooting for the sky. So that's it for this week's analysis video. Short video because price never really developed last week. So let's look at how price will develop this week. Thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you, and see you in the next video. If you are new to Forex and are looking for a place to start, I have created a bundle of slides. You can find the bundle of slides on our Gumroad. I'll leave the link in the description below. There is also an example of how to create a trading plan and also the elements needed in a trading plan. You may head over to our Gumroad and you'll find everything you need to begin your Forex journey.